Now let's welcome the bride's family to the stage. Is everyone ready? Let's give them a warm and welcome. Alright, first we have Bara Fufu and Fufa. Everyone cheer for them. Alright, next we have Rifat and Sancho Tachi. Make a note for them. Alright, the next family, Suda Fufu and Fufa. Make a note for them.
Secretary.
Alright, next we have Rifat Kala and Kalu. Make a noise for them. Alright, next is Suman Mama and Mami joining us. Make a noise for them, everyone.